What up, gang? Boo 617. Welcome back to the channel. You read the description. You read the title. You know what we already did. I know. Trust me, I know. A month ago, I put the 20s on, brand new rims and tires that I got with the sensors. If you haven't watched that video yet, check it out. I'm gonna post it right here. But after dropping the X5, as sexy as it looks, the 22s, I think, was inevitable. Check that video out when I dropped the X5. I'll post that one right here as well. But man, I just had to. So right now, I already got the tires in. I'm just waiting for the rims to come in. They come in today. So TikTok, I'm just waiting for that to get that installed. Got the sensors in, got the tires, waiting for the rims. But look at these tires. These things are crazy. Check these out right quick. Just look at the size of these things. Like, this video is not giving it justice for nothing. But oh my goodness, like in person, these things are huge. Just absolutely big. So I ended up going with the front is 275 35 22, and then the rears are thicker, of course, 315 30 22s. Oh man, can't wait to put these on. Stay tuned.
A few moments later.
Don't mind me, I'm just trying to figure out why there's only 2 boxes here. Why 2 and not 4? I'm gonna tell you why. Because FedEx, that's why. FedEx, there's always an issue with FedEx. If it's not FedEx, it's USPS. Always an issue with them. Like, okay, so this is the deal. Today I was supposed to get all 4 rims. Today's April 1st. Guess what? April Fools to me, right? I called FedEx. They said, oh, we send you 2. You'll be getting 1 more tomorrow, April 2nd. And the 4th one on April 5th. Now, can someone please explain to me how in the world that happens? A company sends 4 packages at the same time. They hand you 4 packages that go together and you send them on different routes. Why, bro? Why? But since currently I have no choice, let's open these up, make sure that they're not bent or scratched or anything. Let's do that. I know you guys don't know what type of rims I got, but it's actually gonna be very familiar to you guys. Yep, I got the same exact rims that I have on the truck right now. The difference is that these are 22s and the other ones are 20s. I just love the way that these look. So let's open these up a little furthermore. There they are. All right, let's go get the rears. And this is what they look like together. So you can see the rear is thicker than the fronts and more concave as well. Now, these are 11 wide, these are 10 wide. 22 by 11 and 22 by 10. These are gonna look sick on the truck. I'm just so upset that I can't put them on today. But we will fast forward this video on to when we get the other ones. So see you guys then. Alright guys, so in reality, FedEx really messed up my plans completely. My plans were, once those rims would have came in, because I have everything else, got the tires, got the sensors. Once those rims would have came in, would have took the car to the shop, place everything together, the rims and the tires and the sensors together, have the shop put them on the car, and then put these 20s that I have on the car now in the back to ship them out, because they're sold. I already sold them to somebody, but that didn't happen. So today what I'm doing is this. I have to pick up the OEMs. Picking up the OEMs, throwing them on the car, then putting the 20s in the back to ship them out because they're sold. That wasn't the plan. The plan was not to do this. This is extra work for nothing. Not only that, I wanted to show you guys the difference between the 20s and the 22s. Once I put them together, I was gonna, once I put the tires and the rims together for the 22s, I was gonna put 20s next to the 22s to show you guys exactly what they look like side by side and things like that. Had a few things planned that I cannot do it. Thank you, FedEx. Thank you. Nonetheless, we're on the way to put these on, and then we gotta wait for the third and fourth rim to come in, put them all together, and snap them on the car. It's gonna be in the same video, guys. It's a few days difference, but it's gonna be in the same video. I promise you that. We're gonna get it done. Stay tuned. We're gonna get it done. This is what she's looking like right now with the OEMs. These are the Tech Package M Sport wheels, 19 inches. You know, she is dropped now and she has the spaces in the back, so it definitely does look more staggered. So she does look different than the day that I got her, for sure. If you haven't checked any of those videos out, check those out. All right, guys, so it's day number 6 of waiting for these rims. And guess what? They're finally here. The last rim finally got here today. So come with me, put in these things in the car and install them in the shop. Let's do it. All right, so all 4 rims are in. Damn, but I don't think I have enough space for these massive tires. I might have to do 2 trips. Let's find out right now though. Let's see. All right, guys, we are not doing 2 trips because I was able to fit 3 here and I got 1 right here. So let's go, baby. We're gonna be installing the same sensors that we installed on the 20s. I also got a video review on these sensors. If you want to check that out, check that video out as well. If you need help choosing sensors, OEM versus aftermarket, these are pretty good. They've worked for me well. Check that video out. I go through the whole thing on how these work compared to the OEM BMW and things like that, but check that video out. Just like that, she's going in. Just getting ready, getting them new shoes, baby. All right, guys, so the wheels are officially on. I'm not gonna reveal it yet until they do the alignment. I'm gonna do the alignment and then I'll probably hit the car wash, and then I'm gonna show you guys exactly what this thing is looking like now with these 22s. Man, it's looking real nice, I'm telling you. So guys, I'm in the car as we speak. I'm driving it to give you a review on how it drives with 22s opposed to the factory 19s with the thick tires. Honestly, it's weird, but I like the ride better now. I don't know if it's in my head or what, but it feels better. It feels I don't know how to explain it. It feels more like you're more in command of the wheel. I don't know if that makes any sense in the world to anyone, but like it's more responsive, I guess. I don't know. It feels the same, but you feel more like this, whatever that means. I don't know how to explain it, but it feels great. That's all. It feels the same as OEM, but it feels better. It feels better. Feels better. Feels better. Let's do a little bit of a touchless car wash, why don't we? So we can get everything nice and clean so you guys can see what these wheels look like. Why not?